Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue of Control plus Alt plus Delete not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the keyboard. Are other keys working? Is the Control key working? Is the Alt key working? Is the Delete key working? And if they are, then proceed to the next solution, which is to update the drivers. So right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab. Click on check for updates, select optional updates and update of just push all the updates. Now click on check for updates. Search for device manager and open device manager. And then you can expand the list for keyboards. Right click on the first one and update the drivers. Right click on the second one and update the drivers. And the last solution is to restart the computer. Right click on the start button. Select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.